Okay, we have here a 2017 Audi A3. Client complaint, it's an annoying sound when driving. Here's like a knocking sound. Checked the direction, the suspension, everything is pinpoint. There's no loose. Control arm, shocks, tie rods, end links, supports, everything's intact in this car. But there's one little detail, and by experience, they always check these. The pads, they're not the original pads that are here, because I know these are not the TRWs. I think these are Bosch's. Honestly, they suck. But look what happens here. Bear with me. Now hear this noise. That sound amplifies when you go faster. And check the movement on the pad. So it must not move this easily. So this sound that you hear, it amplifies going 50, 60, 80. You're gonna hear a tuck, especially when you hit bumps. You're gonna hear that. So make sure on these Audis you put the original pads or TRWs, which I think they're original equipment too. See how it moves? It should not have that movement. So, quick tip and reminder: if you check your Audis and everything's fine on the suspension, no loose to be found, check the pads. If it moves this easily, it's not good. You're gonna have to change them, unless you're gonna bear with the noise. But yeah, all right guys, hope it helps.